Hello friends, in this video I will show how to remove all page break in just one click in Microsoft Word. You can use this shortcut if you have one page break, so you can remove easily by clicking this mark symbol on your this Microsoft Word home tab. So click on this mark symbol and find out page break and remove it. So if you have just one page break, so click on this mark symbol on this home tab, select page break and press delete key on keyboard. And guys, if you have number of page break, so you can remove in just one click. Press Ctrl H. Now here in find what, click on more, special and select manual page break. Now replace with leave empty, then click on replace all and click on OK. So this way you can remove all page break in just one click using this shortcut. Press Ctrl H and type here correct symbol, then M. You can write correct symbol by pressing Shift plus number 6 key on your keyboard. Leave as default, replace with empty. Then click on replace all. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.